Kombucha is a popular drink throughout the world, but buying it by the bottle can be expensive. Making your own buch with the best kombucha starter kit works out to be much more cost-effective and ensures you know exactly what you are putting into your body. We've done the research and found 8 top-rated kombucha brewing kits, as well as one you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best kombucha starter kit, plus 1 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Get Kombucha. We did a lot of testing and looked at dozens of options before determining the Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Get Kombucha to be the leader in the home brew market. This option can be seen as the complete deal, as it comes with everything you would need to brew up kombucha. In addition to a unique kombucha blend that is certified organic, this option also comes with high-quality cultures, as well as a jar that gives you the perfect environment for brewing fermented tea. Additionally, this kit also comes with specially made jars where your kombucha can be stored for an extended lifespan. The kit is also an affordable option, especially when you consider the quality of the ingredients that come with the brewing kits. Coming in at number 2, Kombucha Kit Parent by the Kombucha Shop. The Kombucha Kit Parent by the Kombucha Shop is a deluxe brewing kit that also comes with everything that you would need to brew your own fermented tea. This is one of the most affordable kits that you will find on the market. It includes 6 bottles for storing your kombucha, as well as a jar that can be used for fermenting your tea. Additionally, the kit comes with a unique kombucha blend, cleaning brushes, and appropriate measuring accessories to ensure you can brew the perfect batch of kombucha. The stainless steel strainer and funnel set that comes included with this option features a no-spill design. The kit allows you to make batches of up to 1 gallon kombucha at a time. In addition to the standard deluxe option of this kit, the Kombucha Kit Party by the Kombucha Shop is also available in a cheaper original option. Coming in at number 3, Complete Kombucha Starter Brewing Kit by Kitchentoolz. The best deluxe kombucha brewing kit that you will find on the market today would likely be the Complete Kombucha Starter Brewing Kit by Kitchentoolz. This is an incredible kit that comes at a surprisingly affordable price. Do not let the low price of this kit fool you. Many people have bought it and had only good things to report about everything that comes included in the package. The Complete Kombucha Starter Brewing Kit by Kitchentoolz comes with organic sugar, a specially made brew in the form of tea bags, organic Scoby, as well as all the additional accessories that are needed to make this fermented tea drink. These accessories include a 1-gallon jar, a plastic lid, and a temperature gauge. Looking to learn more about the best kombucha starter kit in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Organic Kombucha Scoby and Starter Tea by Joshua Tree Kombucha. If you are looking for the best organic kombucha starter kit for a lower budget, then the Organic Kombucha Scoby and Starter Tea by Joshua Tree Kombucha is a good option for you. This kit can be picked up for less than $15 and includes all the basic accessories and ingredients that are needed for fermented tea. The kombucha mix was developed in a facility that has been approved by the FDA and is certified organic. In addition to the kombucha mixture, the package also includes organic kombucha Scoby. A 1-gallon jar is also included to give you the perfect combination of items that you need to brew up some kombucha. Furthermore, the kit also comes with handy instructions that guide you through the process of getting started. Coming in at number 5, Everbru Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Northern Brewer. Yet another excellent option for anyone looking to get started with brewing their own fermented tea at home. The Everbru Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Northern Brewer is an ideal option if you have a little more money to spend on higher quality products. This package comes with a specially designed fermenter jar that is made from glass. Additionally, up to 1 gallon of kombucha can be made at a time with this kit. Apart from the fermenter jar, the package also includes a start kit brew mix, along with glasses and bottles for storing the kombucha in the fridge while you are not enjoying it. This kit also comes with an appropriate Scoby to allow for the production of higher quality kombucha brews. Coming in at number 6, the Complete Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Fermentaholics. The Complete Kombucha Brewing Starter Kit by Fermentaholics is a very basic kit that is both affordable and perfect for individuals who want to get into brewing fermented tea, but does not want to spend too much money until they have tried it first. The kit comes with a variety of ingredients, items, and additional accessories to make your journey easier. The kit comes with organic tea, as well as a bag of organic sugar. Additionally, it comes with a live organic Scoby that will make your kombucha brew more authentic. A glass brewing jar is also included, along with all other accessories. The package also includes an instruction manual, as well as a booklet with useful recipes. Coming in at number 7, Standing Stone Farms Kombucha Tea Homebrew Starter Kit by Standing Stone Farms. The Standing Stone Farms Kombucha Tea Homebrew Starter Kit is another excellent option that comes with a variety of useful accessories, as well as the required ingredients to ensure you can make kombucha that tastes great. The kit includes organic ingredients to provide you with more health benefits and to avoid the presence of toxins in the ingredients. The kit is also a very affordable option that is perfect if you want to test out making your own fermented tea at home without having to pay hundreds of dollars for a starter kit. Organic cane sugar and organic black tea form an essential part of this starter package, which is all harvested and prepared at the company's farm in the United States. Coming in at number 8, Homecraft Works Kombucha Brewing Kit by Homecraft. The last starter package on our list is the Homecraft Works Kombucha Brewing Kit by Homecraft Works. This is another excellent option that provides the perfect balance between features and price. This kit can be picked up for just under $50 and includes a wide range of items, including a brewing jar, organic Scoby, organic leaf tea, organic sugar, and a cotton tea bag. The package also comes with pH strips, an organic cotton cover, and a complete manual that takes you through the entire process of brewing your own kombucha at home. In addition to all the items mentioned above, the Homecraft Works Kombucha Brewing Kit also includes a temperature gauge to ensure you can keep on track the brewing of your fermented tea at all times. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kombucha starter kit. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com Kombucha Starter Kit to avoid. Kombucha Starter Kit by Cultures for Health. Now we want to share the worst kombucha starter kit on the market, the Kombucha Starter Kit by Cultures for Health. While not all is bad with this starter package, considering the low price tag, there are many elements of this package that deems it less valuable than the other options that we have introduced you to in this review post. It seems like the cultures that are included with this kit are often expired when they reach the customer, and that many people who have tried to use the brew find that it does not work as it is supposed to work. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best kombucha starter kit. Choosing the best kombucha starter kit will ensure you can easily make your own fermented tea at home without having to pay the expensive fees associated with going out to the shop and buying pre-made bottles of kombucha. Now it's up to you to look at the options we have shared with you and decide which fits your requirements and budget the best. Looking to learn more about the best kombucha starter kit in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kombucha starter kit. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.